Today you'll learn what is binding off in purl. Binding off in purl means closing stitches while working them as purl stitches to maintain the fabric's texture.
This swatch off in purl. This is a stockinette swatch. This is the purl side. Here's the knit side. And just as you would normally purl, you've got yarn in the front. Kind of purl these first 2 stitches. And then with your left needle, you lift the back stitch over the front on the right needle, and I bound off 1 stitch. Purl the next one. You only have 2 stitches at a time on this right needle. As you purl and bind off, if you have more than 2, you haven't bound off one of your stitches and you need to put it back on your left needle. So I'm binding, purling, bind that off. I bound off 3 stitches. You count them as you bind them off. You don't count them when you actually purl them, because this is my 4th stitch that I have bound off. And I'll meet you back at the other end of this swatch to show you how you finish off. My 5th stitch, binding off in purl. I'm down to my last 2 stitches on this swatch, so I'm going to purl this last one, and then I'm going to lift. Might help if I drop this. I'm going to lift this one over the last one, and I've already cut my yarn, but you want to leave a long piece so that you can hide it. And I've enlarged that loop with my needle, and you just take the end and feed it through the loop and pull on it until it tightens down. And that's how you bind off in purl.